Okay, so here's where we actually sign up. It offers us a free trial for 7 days, but then we'll be billed $47. That's about $30 in US. Now this is important. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because you don't want to get stung with this charge. Now we're signed up for the app and ready to make our magic avatars that we'll select here at the bottom. We select try now, then tick the box to show that we're over 18. And then it shows us examples of good and bad photos we should use as our reference images. The key points are get headshots with different backgrounds, and if all your photos look dead straight into the camera, you won't have much variety in your avatar images. Don't do full length or group photos, that'll just confuse it and you'll end up with weird results. Try and get a full 20 selfies. Just a side note here, I don't actually take selfies, and so I didn't have many photos on my actual phone. Lensa doesn't seem to allow you to choose photos on your phone, so I had to download my photos off Google Photos and then upload them back to my phone so that I could select them. Next, it gives us a screen to select our gender. The photos begin to upload and it tells us to come back in 20 minutes and they'll be ready. Okay, it's finished generating. We can see here we have a pack number 1 with 110 avatars. Let's have a look. It's broken up into themes. So we have a Christmas theme. I'm Santa Claus. Rockstar theme. Not too convincing there. Superhero. Stylish. Mystical. Now that's cool. I'm Gandalf.
What do you mean?
Sci-fi. Some of these are pretty cool. That looks like me. Weird artifact though. Astronaut. Anim versions of yourself. Some of these are okay. Adventure. Cyborg. Cosmic. You too can be a Star-Lord. You can then choose the ones you like and save them to your phone. Okay, so we've saved the images to our phone. Now we need to add the images from our phone to the Lensa app. So if we go in here to add photos, you'll see here's the ones that I selected, I saved. So we can choose one, like this one with the artifact, and we can import that. And now we're just in the Lensa app, and it will start loading AI in order to edit this photo. So you can do things like remove the background, etc. If you want to do this for free, probably the easiest way to do it is go to a website called nightcafe.studio. They give you free credits. That's how I started. And you get free credits daily. But it's a little bit more mucking around to learn it. You go in here, you go Stable Diffusion, and then you can start playing around with AI generated art. The other site that will give you some free credits to start with is midjourney.com. It's a little bit more complicated because you have to use a bit of software called Discord. But if I go to the gallery here, you'll see that there's certainly some amazing images that can be created. If you want to know more on that, I'll leave a link in the description. Let's take a quick trip over to the dark side of Lensa. The first complaint is by artists that their work is being stolen because Lensa trained their AI bot on their artwork without their consent. You can see here echoes of the original reference images as the AI tries to accidentally reimagine an artist's signature in some of the generated images. Let us know what you think in the comments. The second possible issue is around privacy. Could your uploaded images be used for further training the model? Prisma Labs also says it does not require or request metadata, and as soon as the avatars are generated, the user's photos and the associated model are erased permanently from our servers. While Prisma Labs' terms and conditions say users retain all rights in and to use your content, it also grants Prisma the rights to any avatar created. But if you're concerned, you can email privacy@lensa-ai.com and request personal data to be deleted. What about that $47 you were going to save me? Right, I bet you would have forgotten about that subscription, remember? Now you have your avatars, let's cancel that subscription so we don't get charged. On Android, first you go to the Play Store, then you click your profile icon, and then choose Payments and Subscriptions. Select Subscriptions and tap on the Lensa Avatar Maker Editor app. click the cancel subscription and choose your reason before tapping on continue. Finally, the Lensa subscription is cancelled on your Android device. On iPhone, you've got to go to the App Store, tap your profile icon and choose subscriptions, select Lensa, then click the cancel button to unsubscribe from the app.